Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a close look at DAZN.com in 2025. Is it a legit sports streaming service or just another scam? Let's dive in. DAZN, which first launched back in 2002, is not some fly-by-night platform. It's been around for over 2 decades, streaming a variety of sports like boxing, MMA, soccer, and even the NFL, though coverage depends on your region. The app is also widely popular, ranked number one in the sports section on the App Store with a solid 4.6 star rating from nearly 500,000 users. Plus, it works seamlessly on big name devices like Samsung and Sony TVs, so device compatibility is rarely an issue. So, is it all smooth sailing? Not exactly. Many users love that DAZN allows you to rewatch fights and matches without spoilers and doesn't charge extra for big pay-per-view events. Major events like the KSI versus Logan Paul fight usually stream without a hitch, but the service isn't perfect. On Trustpilot, DAZN has a low score of about 1.9 stars and complaints pop up on Reddit as well. Users report issues like buffering, inconsistent NFL coverage in the US, and annoying ads during live games in Mexico. Some also mention commentary problems, like broadcasters not matching the game or issues with Spanish commentary. So here's the takeaway. DAZN is legit. It's a long-standing platform backed by major tech players, and it works very well for a lot of sports fans. But your experience can vary greatly depending on your region and the sport you want to watch. In short, it's not a scam, but it's also not perfect. If you're thinking about subscribing, just check what's available in your country and what sports coverage matters most to you. That way, you know exactly what you're getting. That's it for today's review. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what sport you'd stream first on DAZN. See you in the next one.